Oh yeah, 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 yeah. It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces.
Everybody, welcome to the makeup tutorial. I just want to come in and tell y'all guys that I have pulled out the oldie but goodie Jaclyn Hill palette that never gets old. But yeah, I just want to come on here and just let y'all hear my lovely voice and just see how y'all guys doing. And I want y'all to know that I love y'all. And while you at it, please like, share, and subscribe. And push that notification bell so you can get notified every time I put a banging video like this. Okay? Love you guys. Do y'all ever have to decide what kind of makeup look that you want to do? Because I know when I come on here doing these makeup tutorials, y'all don't even know half of what I'm trying to do. It just comes to my head. I just look at a color and go. But sometimes I can find the inspiration. So do you find inspiration, or you just go off the dome and, and make up your own makeup look? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys. Enjoy the video.
Would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe.
Hey guys, I just want to jump back on here. I just want to encourage somebody. If God puts something in your heart to do and you have a heart and passion for it, please do not let nothing or anybody talk you out of it. Stay with God. Let God direct your steps in everything that you need to do, because He is the guidance. He is the way. So make sure y'all, please, don't let nobody or no one keep listening to God and keep going forward. And I guarantee when your time comes and when it's in God's will, you will see it manifest. Okay? All right. And not you manifesting. God. All right? I love you guys. I hope y'all enjoying.
Take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Hey guys, right here what I was using was the Il Makiage Skin. I think this was the Power Up. It's the anti-aging, brightness, boosting eye treatment. Look, this stuff is good. You can tell when I put it on my face whenever I get up in the morning after I do my skincare routine, and then I put this on it. It brightens under my eyes. I'm telling you, a little pricey though for this little bottle. A little pricey. but it's worth it. Okay, guys, I just wanted to tell y'all guys what I had and what I was using. All right, I hope y'all guys enjoying the video so far. I love you guys. Talk to you later.
You get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense.
I wish y'all can hear the music that I be hearing in the background. I play my gospel music in the background, but I cannot play that type music on here. Of course, I get copyrighted, right? So I have to play what I can get. So, but yeah, I wish y'all can hear it. I do, because I be having a good time in there on Sunday morning. I tell you, I do. All right, guys, I love y'all. Until next time, I hope y'all guys enjoy this makeup tutorial as I dance my way out. Okay, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and push that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I put up a banging makeup tutorial like this. Love you guys.
We get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Bye.